Alright, ladies and gents, it's Will here again at J-Tech. What's going on? Good morning. What we'll be doing today is shooting a video on a pre-inspection alignment on one of the Peterbilts here. This is one of our trainer trucks for the over-the-road course that J-Tech provides here in Jacksonville, Florida. What you want to do before you do any alignment on any vehicle, you want to make sure that the wheels are straight. As you can see, our right wheel and our left wheel, the steering wheel is locked in the straight position. You know, like the vehicle is traveling straight before you attempt any alignment procedures. And we'll go over some of the components that we're looking at today. This right here, this is your axle I-beam, your front axle I-beam, which connects to the steering knuckle. On the left side, and the steering knuckle on the right side, which houses your kingpin. Under these two grease fittings, there's one right here on the bottom. And there's one right here on the top. If you see my hand. Alright. What the kingpin does, it serves as the pivot point which attaches to the wheel spindle to the axle beam, and is considered to be one of the most critical components of the axle assembly. Now, right here, you got your tie rod ends, and it connects to the tie rod arms of the spindle to transfer the steering force. It also provides the ability to fine-tune the wheel toe end to achieve maximum tire wear. When you're over the road, you know, tires and fuel are the most important things when you're driving a tractor trailer. Alright? And inside right here, your brake drum is your steering knuckle, which all of this, your axle beam, is attached to. This is your cross tube right here where you see my hand. It attaches to both sides, to your tie rod ends, to your tie rod arm right here. When you're doing a visual inspection, we'll go back to the things you should be looking for. Any of these bushings right here. Alright, you see that right there? Coming from your drag link arm. You want to make sure any of these bushings, like that little bit of grease right there, that's okay. But if it starts spoozing out or whatever, or it's leaking excessively, you want to get that checked out. You want to check out your front slack adjustments. Make sure that all the components are there and nothing is missing or whatever like that, because that is your stopping force. It's connected to your S-cam, which is going straight into your brakes right there. That's how you stop the vehicle in the front. Your steer tires. Same thing on the other side. You want to make sure nothing is missing. Any of these nuts, bolts, or whatever, if they're missing, oh, you're going to have a serious problem, ladies and gents, I'm telling you. Because you're riding down the highway hauling 80,000 pounds, and you can't stop this thing, you're going to have some serious problems. You want to check your leaf springs right here. Make sure any of these U-bolts, nothing is missing or whatnot. Everything looks to be cherried up on this truck. So, in the meantime, yeah. Oh, let me go up here and show you this also, like I was telling you. Like I said right here, this is your drag link. It's connected to your drag link arm on your spindle right here. This is the other top grease fitting, which houses the kingpin. I told you it's one on the bottom and it's one on the top. The drag link connects to the steering gear right here. This is your steering box, and this is your drag link arm. Alright. Back up under the truck. Like I said, you want to check these U-bolts. Make sure none of them are missing. Everything is intact. Check your leaf springs. You'll be able to begin doing your front end alignment on this vehicle. But right now it seems like everything pretty much cherried up on this truck. But we wanted to just let you know, like I said, the videos are educational purposes only. You know what I'm saying? We got to do what we got to do to actually graduate from this school. But at the same time, we're learning, because before I didn't really know what all these components was, but now that I do, we can proceed to, learn more about the front suspension, rear suspension, steering, drive axles. Like I said, this is William McKinney again at JTech. I'll give you another shot real quick before we leave. Safety first, I'm putting my glasses back on. Ladies and gents, y'all have a pretty good day. Thank you.